another day for unpacking the package, our favorite. Okay, let's see what's inside. Dun, 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 dun. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see what's inside. Let me open na. Let me open the close. Ha? Chan. Dun, 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 dun. Ha? Wait. And since this month is June, no? Let me change na my balloon there. Look at my balloon. It's color yellow. Yellow gold. I will change na into my favorite color. I don't think this is color pink. I think it's not, no? 1, 3 letters. Letter E. And I don't know what's this letter, no? Let me check. And blow. No? We have here free straw to blow these letters. Okay. Let's start. Dun, 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 dun. I hope it's not don't have a hole, no? Letter E. Nice color. Let me blow. May kulay. Wait. Okay, insert down. No? Let's insert this one. Looks it's not good. Let me see my where is my another straw? Let me see my another straw. Let me use my another straw. I have here. Girl Scout. Okay. Let's start. Okay. Inserted already. What more? One down. Yay, nice color, guys. I love it. Letter E. Next one. Let me see. Next letter. One down. Okay. Next letter. S. Okay. Blow it. Okay. S. Letter S. S. Next. Last but not the least. Where is the opening? Where's the opening? My gulay. Okay. I saw it. And I think this is letter. What letter? Last but not the least, letter C. Okay. Let's blow. Blow again. Okay. Ay! Pinabutas. My good lagi. Ha? My goodness. Hope it's still okay. Okay? Last. Letter C, letter C, letter C. Okay, nice. Nice letter C. E. S. Okay. See you later, guys. You will see this later during my live stream. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. Love you all. Bye-bye. Bye for now.